Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make this 3D paper star. The materials you need are 2 squares of paper of the same size, as well as glue and scissors. The step-by-step process is the same for each square. First we're going to create a pentagon. To do that, place the colored side facing down and fold the paper in half. Now we need to mark the center of the top side. To do this, bring the edge to the left and make just a small mark in the middle. Then bring the edge to the right side and mark the middle as well. This way we get a small X. For the next step, bring the bottom right corner to the center of this small X and reinforce the crease. Then fold the closed edge of this part down Next, bring the right side to this fold we just made. Now flip it over and fold one edge to the other. With everything folded, the next step is to cut the paper along the edge of the first layer. Discard the leftover paper and unfold the part that remains. Now, just to make the next steps easier, first close the paper by the corners, forming a triangular shape. Press the folds firmly then reinforce the folds in the opposite direction. So this time we need to close along the sides. Do the same on all sides. And reinforce the folds at the end. Hold the paper in this position and fold the bottom edges to the middle. We can start with the first layer on the right side. Then do the same on the left side. Then flip the paper over and repeat the same steps on the other three. I'm going to fold the left one first. Then open the other two and fold them as well. With this done, unfold all 5. Now we are going to cut just part of the paper at the bottom, about 1/3 of the section we folded. After that, unfold the paper by opening it from the bottom, and this is the result you'll get. We're going to cut each of the 5 sides only along these lines here, only within the folds we just made. Like this. Do the same on all sides. Pay close attention to the next steps. Starting on the right side, we need to fold this section, then bring this edge to the middle, and fold only between these 2 creases. So, we bring the paper to the side carefully, aligning everything. Then reinforce the fold only in this space. Then unfold, and this gives us the fold I showed you. Move on to the next side and repeat the same process. First fold this part, then bring this edge to the center and reinforce the fold only within this space. Repeat the same process on the other 3 sides. After finishing all sides, you will have 5 visible folds in the center. Now we need to repeat the same process on the opposite side. So, fold the paper on the left side, bring this edge to the center as before, and reinforce only here. With this, we have our first fold. Just repeat the same process with the other 4. Now that we have this star in the middle, flip the paper over and close each corner, leaving the center as it is, reversed. Thanks to the folds we made at the beginning, this step is almost automatic. Just adjust a few details to make the style look nicer. After that, flip the paper over and partially close these small flaps. Repeat exactly the same process with the other square. Now, as the final step, we just need to glue. We're going to apply glue to each of these sections, these flaps, but since my glue dries very fast, I'll apply it one at a time. If you're using a glue that takes longer to dry, you can try gluing all of them at once. Just make sure to glue everything as aligned as possible. Once the first side is ready, let's do the same on the other side. There is a trick that makes the process a bit easier. You can put some glue in the corner of a piece of paper, then slide the paper inside the space you're going to glue. That way, if your glue is like mine and also dries quickly, the paper stays well aligned from the beginning and doesn't dry in the wrong position. Either way, after gluing all the sides, you get a result more or less like this. Something very beautiful and made with very few materials. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.